Hi guys! Today let's make Mishti Doi, one of the most popular sweet delicacies of Bengal cuisine. This dessert looks very simple and has a rich taste of sweetened yogurt. So let's start off this dessert by adding 4 cups of milk to a saucepan. Keep the flame on medium and bring to a boil. Keep on stirring so that the milk doesn't stick to the pan. When the milk reduces to half, then we shall add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. So I'm going to add the sugar. Combine well. Turn off the flame and keep this aside. Now let's take another pan and add in half cup of sugar to caramelize it. The color looks good to me. At this point, add 1 cup of warm milk. And keep on stirring. Combine well. Now let's pour this into our warm milk. Combine well. And boil again for another 3 more minutes. Keep on stirring. Our milk has changed its color. And keep this aside to cool slightly. Meanwhile, let's whisk 2 cups of natural yogurt in a bowl to a smooth consistency. At this stage, slowly pour in our caramelized milk and combine it slowly. Let's pour the whole lot of milk. And slowly whisk it till it is well combined. This mixture now needs to be transferred either to a pot or ramekins, and you have to allow it to rest for another 6 to 8 hours in a warm place. Once it sets well, then this goes into the refrigerator to chill further. So we can serve this Mishti Doi nice and chilled. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video and you will love having this. Do not forget to like and share my video. And if you have not yet subscribed, then do subscribe to Neema's Kitchen and support me. Happy cooking!